In this video, I will guide you on how to change Gmail profile picture on Android. First of all, you want to launch open the Gmail app. Then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here you will have this camera icon. Tap on that. Now you have different options over here. Browse illustration, upload from device, take a picture and Google Photos. If you want illustrations, select the first option. Now go ahead and select your preferred illustration, then edit that, then tap on next. Now tap on save as profile picture. If you want to upload your own picture, then select the second option, upload from device. Then from your gallery, simply open up any photo that you want. Tap on done. Now edit that picture. After that, tap on next. Now tap on save as profile picture. If you want to take a picture, then select the third option. Now go ahead and take a picture. After that, edit this and then tap on next. Then tap on save as profile picture option. You can also use photos from Google Photos by tapping on the fourth option. In this way, you can change Gmail profile picture on Android. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.